Right. So now I will talk about the articles, the technical articles for SBL. So there were like five, six articles in the last 6 to 12 months, which included blockchain, cryptos, Internet of Things. So do not worry about blockchain, cryptos, and Internet of Things. These are old articles now. Now there are two articles which are important for this attempt. Okay, one was cyber security, which talks about IT security, which which was covered by me in the webinar day 5. And then last month another article was published, which obviously I was not able to cover in my webinar. So that's what I want to cover now. It is called market segmentation. Okay, the word segmentation means, segment means section, smaller sections, right? You must have studied segment accounting, segment reporting. Segment means smaller section. Market segmentation, when you break the entire market into smaller sections. Okay, now how do we break the entire market? So let's take an example. Let's say this is commerce teaching market or commerce teaching industry. Can we break it into smaller sections? For example, ACCA is one segment or one option within commerce certifications. Maybe CIMA, maybe CA, maybe CFA, maybe Master in Business Administration, and so forth. So the concept of market segmentation is you break the industry or the market into smaller sections. Now, can you do a market segmentation for car industry for me? Can we break the car industry or automobile industry into smaller sections? Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
luxury
yes.
Luxury
necessities,
Luxury,
cars,
sports,
Sports.
Heavy
sports
vehicles,
hybrid.
car,
sports cars,
four-wheel drive,
vans,
there'll be a
buses.
hybrid
hybrid.
cars, electric cars,
Yeah.
small affordable budget cars. Then there will be coasters and vans and then specialized cars. So the entire automobile industry can be broken down into smaller sections. So it's called market segmentation. Okay. So why do we do market segmentation? Because it is the foundation of marketing strategy. So once you break the market into smaller sections, then you come up or you can devise your marketing strategy based on each segment. So if you want to come up with good marketing strategies, the first thing you do is market segmentation. Then you can come up with marketing strategies. A similar word is customer segmentation. Okay. So customer segmentation is uh, uh, customer segmentation is same idea as market segmentation, except that it focused on organizations existing customers. So if I'm a big organization like Amazon, millions of customers, so then I can analyze my customers as well, and I can break my customers into smaller group. Now, how can I do my customer segmentation? So many options. These are the options. I can break them based on age or gender or geographical location, nationality, even based on occupation, income level, frequency of purchasing, like high frequent customers, medium frequency customers, low frequent customers, size of spending. So there are 10,001 ways I can analyze my customers. It's called customer segmentation. So you understand these two words, market segmentation and customer segmentation? But the main
Yes.
word
Yes,
is
sir.
market segmentation. What are the advantages of market segmentation? What or why do we do market segmentation? You have got a general idea now. Improved focus. We are better able to understand each segment. So when we break the market into smaller sections, then we are able to focus, we are able to zoom in, and we are able to understand each segment in detail. The customer needs of that segment, the level of competition, and then we can design specific marketing strategies. We can come up with specific products for each segment, the pricing strategies. So the more deep dive you go, the more specific strategies you can come up with, and which would obviously lead in customer satisfaction, better customer retention, all these things. So this is a very simple technical article, more to do with marketing side. I don't expect a complicated question in your paper on this, but it's just a concept which should be clear in your head, that market segmentation, we break the market into smaller sections. Why do we do it? So that we are able to get deeper insight, and then we can come up with better marketing strategies for each segment, so that we can get more customers, better customer retention, and obviously more profits. Any questions?
No.
No. Very clear.
Okay.